Today is August 4th, 2016. Back with the StocksToTrade trade recap. Another crazy day in low float land. So I'm pretty time constrained. It's 3:20 right now. I need to be out the door right at 4. So doing this a little before market close, but kind of just going to go over the trade I made and touch on a few that I missed. But also in my daily routine, I talk about that a lot in StocksToTrade Pro as to, I look to be, if something is working, I look to start getting out around 3:30 partial size. Now, I need to be gone at 4. I've got a meeting in the morning, so I'm completely out. But so OPTT, quit jabbering a little bit, is the trade. I had posted that I was hoping, posted probably around 10. I was hoping for a push to 11. Never got that. It hit 10.50 and then started fading. I kind of started watching it then. I amended my plan because, Tyson said everybody has a plan until they get punched in the face. So you got to amend your plan a little bit. I kept kind of watching at this 10 level, and then it really pulled. So this crosshair is my entry at 950, and then this line I drew here at 10 is my stop. My goal was my green line at 850. Didn't get that. I just covered before I cranked up this video in the low 9s. So I got, 40-ish cents a share. Nothing great, but considering, it didn't hit my original target, I reassessed, still made, a profitable trade. 40 cents, a little over 40 cents is not a bad day trade. So, but followed my plan. I got time constraints. I would probably hold half overnight. But it is what it is. So then that's the only trade I made. Had a lot going on, but SAEX, great trade or great potential here. It's pretty scary to try and buy a stock up 100, 200%, but this thing just ripped all day. It is pulling back a little bit now, but I mean, obviously, somebody's got to sell into the close. A little bit of a potential sympathy play of that was HMNY. Huge rip here. The theme is over and over again is just low floats ripping. And again, you get through HMNY is a good example. I mean, it breaks 10. You got that whole psychological whole dollar amount. And then, it's just every candle. These are 2-minute candle, but everyone's green up to, high of $16. Just crazy opportunity in these. I know I'm missing some other ones, but to keep the video from getting too long, I really think my flaw was after Cool just fading all day yesterday, gapping down today on an offering. I kind of flipped my bias a little bit, and I was thinking more short. But I tell you, shorting is just, even though it works for me, you look at what I got, 40 cents a share, versus the potential in going long, HMNY or SAEX. Shorting is just not where it's at right now. I will, until I'm convinced, I'm not going to let something like Cool trick me again and think that, okay, low float runners aren't going to work anymore. It's just run that low float scan and watch those rippers, watch your hold at $half amounts, and and take quick profits, but the potential is definitely there. So see you guys tomorrow.